Hi, this is SESS. I'm in the video about ready to see. This is a video where Logesan and I, we get our first kill in DAYZ. Now, we're Rust players. I have over 4,000 hours in Rust,
And,
which to some isn't a huge amount, but to others it is.
No?
And so does Logesan.
Okay, someone's been here.
We've
recently, 'cause
made
there's
the
a whole lot
conscious
of
decision to play
bones.
DAYZ for various reasons.
I thought I heard
This is our first grand adventure as a duo, and we were rather successful, and so it makes DAYZ exciting. But we also got our first kill, and how it happened was kind of unique, so that's why I'm going to share
your
the
gun have
video
any
with
ammo?
you.
Did
So
you
I
see it?
hope you enjoy and let me
Yeah.
know what you think.
No, I have
Thanks you so much for watching.
I'll just drop it.
No, this uses a 45. Here's a collar dress. That seems important. Fucking brass knuckle, I'm ready. What is this, a closet? Guess so. Dude, there's somebody right here. He just went out the door. Got him. Oh, he's got binoculars and shit. That's who we've been following.
Where's my other mag?